How to log into another Gmail account on mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and search myaccount.google.com. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile located at top right corner of your screen. You'll find all your accounts pop up. Simply click on Add Another Account. After you click on Add Another Account, again all your accounts will pop up. Simply select one. After you've selected one of your accounts, you will simply switch to your another Google account that you clicked on without using email or password again, and you'll be able to log into another Gmail account in this way as well. This is how to log into another Gmail account on mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.